List all base classes in a hierarchy of given class. Given a class foo, whether it is a new style class or not, how do you generate all the base classes, anywhere in the inheritance hierarchy, at issue class of?
Inspect.getMroCLS works for both new and old style classes and returns the same as newClass.mro, a list of the class and all its ancestor classes, in the order used for method resolution.
See the _bases property available on the Python class, which contains a tuple of the basis classes.
Inspect.getClassTree will create a nested list of classes and their bases. Usage.
According to the Python doc, we can also simply use class._mro_attribute or class.mro method.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.